Okay, so the best business loans to apply for in 2025. This is the top 10. So you got Biz2 credit right here. It shows you your loan amount up to 2 million. So before you guys apply, make sure you have an LLC. Make sure you have established business credit. If you don't have business credit, you will have to add business trade lines or primary trade lines, age corporations. You can edit your bank statement stating you make a certain amount to get approved for the loans. So if you try and get like a 100K loan, for example, you will have to say you make way over 50K in revenue. So you have Lindsay. Lindsay gives you up to $5 million. And you guys can see most of these only require a 580 or even a 600 credit score. All they care is how much revenue you make. So if you bring in revenue, you're pretty much good to go. And if you guys have good personal credit, that is also a bonus to get you approved and in the door for the loans. And of course, you need 6 months of bank statements. But 6 months, guys, is not that hard. And you can always inflate your income easily. Lendio is a good one. Lending Tree. You have Financial Health Network. You guys can pause the video and see the options right here. You have Fundera, Advanced Funds Network. So to get approved for the 5 million, you will need business trade lines. But literally, you can only just make 20K and get approved for the $5 million loan. Make sure you guys have a business checking account. I recommend PNC Bank since they don't really do any minimum deposits. So they have for financial, and you have revenue right here. So you guys can literally apply for all of these and get $1 million worth of loans. But if you guys have an LLC and just starting out, the best thing to do is to get a business funding package. So they have ones up to $3 million. So this one will cost $4,000, and the info is right here. So delivery time is 2 weeks. So basically, they just add age corps, tax returns, business trade lines, 6 months of bank statements, and a credit sweep. So within 2 weeks, your credit should be good. So you guys can apply within, the 3 to 4 week duration. And this will give your credit 5 years history. But to get approved for the loans, all you need is at least 2 years or even a year. But 5 years will guarantee you a higher credit limit. The longer the age, the higher the approvals. If you guys don't have the $4,000 funds, you could start something small, get a little 100K loan, and then build your way up. Or you could just add some primary trade lines and call it a day. You can literally just add a 400K or 800K trade line. These report in 24 hours. Once they report, you can literally just go to the sites I recommended: Fundera, Lendio, Revenue, all of them sites. So if you find this helpful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. I will leave all the sites in the description. This is called alltradeline.com.